Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Basecamp, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you pin a project to your Basecamp home screen? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to pin a project to your Basecamp home screen anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably manage a lot of different projects or teams, but some of them take priority, so you want to be sure to pin it to your home screen. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Basecamp homepage. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Basecamp, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to pin a project to your home screen, here on the front, you're going to click on this button, View All Projects in a List. Once you do that, you're going to see all the projects you're currently working on. So just scroll down to the project that you want to pin to your homepage. So for example, this one right here, off to the right, you're going to see the pin. Go ahead and click on the pin. Once you click on it, it should turn red. Now when you go back to your homepage, the project's going to be pinned to your homepage right here. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to pin a project to your homepage in Basecamp, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.